Drug Treatment Court of Grafton County, a program of the North Country Health Consortium, leading innovative collaboration to improve the health status of northern New Hampshire. Drug court system provides and combines intensive treatment with strict supervision. The drug court team is made up of a judge, prosecuting attorney, public defender, probations and parole officer, local law enforcement, treatment representative, a coordinator, and case manager.
So the program can run anywhere from 18 to 36 months. Each phase of the program has a certain length of time to it. So you will be appearing in front of the judge. You'll be meeting with your case manager weekly. You'll be meeting with your licensed alcohol and drug counselor weekly. You will be getting assessed for any underlying mental health condition. Those will also be addressed during the time you're in the program. You will be facing whether you are wanting to be on medically assisted treatment. If you are, then that will also be addressed. Those prescriptions and your primary care doctor, your general health and wellness in its entirety will be addressed one piece at a time, starting with...
The Drug Treatment Court of Grafton County oversees individuals who are charged with crimes that are generally nonviolent in nature. They must have a substance use disorder and be assessed as high risk and high need. The participants receive intensive supervision and treatment rather than a lengthy prison term.
What drug court's meant for me is a whole new life, I guess. Getting off the drugs. It was a struggle in the beginning, but with drug court and I guess the people that work the drug court for us, willing to talk to us, willing to help us work through it. It's helped me out a lot. The programs, the IOP, MRT, very good programs. And the participants in the program too, we all work together, so that helps us out.
This opportunity was presented to me, which quite frankly, I never thought I would have. Here I am assuming that I was going to state prison, for a decade or better. I had a lot of charges against me. And then all of a sudden, life offered me the second chance, and it was the drug court program. And I didn't know how I was going to get through it. I had no clue, because the last time when I had tried on my own to stay sober, I lasted 12 days. I'd get out of jail multiple times with the best of intentions, because they'd had it forced into it, but I was sober for 6 months or 8 months while I was in jail. So I didn't want to go back to using, but I just wasn't willing to do what was necessary to stay sober, or I didn't know, I guess, looking back at it, and I gotta say, and everyone has helped me kind of stay in that parameters. I was not a huge fan at first of what they told me, like, you're getting out of jail, and I wanted to go where I wanted to go, and they wanted me to go to treatment. And I'm gonna say that I had a little problem with authority, if you can imagine, But looking back at it on the hindsight's 2020, everything that they've told me to do has been definitely the keys to success. It has to be, because it's working,
People who use substance are never in their right mind during that time, that they suffer from altering behavioral things. And when they become clear and healthy, you see parts of them and they see parts of them that they didn't really even know existed.
Drug treatment court participants have many requirements.
I see Rhonda as my late act counselor, plus I'm seeing another counselor on the side, plus I'm doing couples counseling too, I've gone above and beyond myself, which surprises me a lot, Like I said, 2 years ago, that's not shame. That's one of the reasons I keep going the way I'm going, is because I see the road now that I was going down, and it was the wrong road, and I'm lucky I'm still alive.
Including myself, that here's a big burly guy on the floor with his daughter and a couple dolls and a thing watching Full House, but that's one of the many rewards that this program has offered me. Just simple little things, but to be there and to know that I'm doing the best that I can every day,